I have a Samsung Galaxy A51. I'm going to show you how to insert the SD card as well as the SIM card. Okay, now take note that this is a US model here, United States model, so I only have the option of single SIM. If you have an international phone, you should get an option where you can put dual SIMs, 2 SIM cards on here. Okay, anyways, I only have 1 SIM card. So let's start from the beginning here. First thing you got to do is go ahead and take out your SIM or SD card tray, which is on the top left hand side of the phone. So grab your SIM ejection tool. It comes in a box right here. If you don't have this laying around, you can use a different phone SIM ejection tool. You can even use, if it's has a thin like bobby pin, paper clip, even the back of a stud earring. Okay, you just want that needle to be thin. Okay, so you see the needle or the hole right here. You can see the tray right there. Let's go ahead and pop this needle in here. Give it a little bit of pressure until that lip right here pops out. And let's go ahead and take out the tray. Just like this, okay? And the first thing, let's go ahead and put the SD card in, and I'm using a 256 giga or 256 gigabytes, but the max is 512, okay? So let's put this in here first, and it goes in just like this, okay? And then you might hear like a little snap, and it should be in there even if you turn it over, okay? Now with the SIM, there's a diagonal cut on the bottom right hand side, so we want to match the SIM card like that too. And this one, the SIM card doesn't snap in place, it just lays on top nice and flush. So when you have both in here, leave it just like this. Just make sure it's nice and flush, and then we want to carefully go ahead and slide it into the phone here. And then we're going to go ahead and double check the SIM card as well as the SD card, and we're also going to format. I'll show you how to format the SD card as well. Let me just put this SIM card back in. Okay, so let me just slide in here evenly. Okay, let's slide that in. Now it says no SIM card up here in the top left hand side. Now it says T-Mobile here. So it already found my my SIM card here. I can also see the data bars. So let's go ahead and double check the settings of the SIM card first. So just go ahead and go into your settings. You can just slide up on the screen like that. We can go directly to the settings here. And then from here, the first one on top, it says connections. Let's tap on that. And then if you see mobile networks, tap on that. And you can see by default, mine's data roaming is already on. You guys may get charged up to a certain amount or whatnot. Mine's unlimited, so I always leave data roaming on. So just make sure if you're getting charged for that or whatnot. Also, I can look down here where it says network mode. If I tap on that, I can see I'm on the LTE up here automatically, okay? So I know my SIM card is up and running. Now let's go ahead and check the settings of the SD card, and let's go ahead and also, I'll show you how to format the SD card, okay? So again, we're gonna go back into settings here. And then from settings, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go down to where it says device care right here. Tap on that. Then you want to tap on storage, and now you want to make sure it says SD card down here. If yours doesn't say SD card, then it's not improperly, or maybe it's corrupted, or maybe you just have to reinsert it, okay? Anyway, so I see SD card here, and now what you want to do, if you want to format it, just tap on advanced right there, and then go ahead and tap on SD card right here, okay? Tap on that. Don't forget, with a format, you're going to erase everything on there. So tap on format. And it says format this SD card. This SD card needs to be formatted before you can use it. Okay. Any existing content on there is going to be erased. Okay, no problem. Hopefully you have a backup if you have anything important on there. So let's go ahead and format SD card. This should take a few seconds. You see a status bar running right here. Okay, it's done. SD card set up. Your SD card is ready to use. And there you go. You can see I have like 2.62 megs used out of 238.5 gigabytes. It's a 256 giga, but the thing is, every time you format it, it does leave a little bit of system files always on there. So usually the system files only takes up between 2 to 5 megabytes typically. Okay, anyways, we're up and running here. Good luck, guys.